Hi, my name is Amy with WTI. Are you looking for a rug to bring some warmth, some beauty and charm into your home? Well, this rug by Capel will absolutely do that for you. I want to share a few of the things that I love about this rug. Right off the bat, I loved that they are a family-run business and they've been making rugs for over 100 years right here in the States. They know what they're doing and you can definitely see it in the fine quality. There are many sizes, shapes, and colors available. I chose the 2x9 foot oval runner. I was immediately impressed by the vibrant colors of the woven blues and yellows. The incredible quality of the braiding is very impressive. I love the personal touch of them having a tag on the rug. It's hand signed by the person who stitched it. Thanks, Janet M. And here you can see it in the bedroom next to the bed. It really protects your feet from hitting the cold floor in the morning. And here it is in the hallway, just stunning. The unique blend of fibers make for an excellent, durable rug that will hold up nicely for a very long time. I think you'll be very happy with your Capel rug. It will instantly bring warmth, beauty, and charm into your home, and that's my point of view.